see, I don't know. But if y'all want to know how to do it like this, keep watching the video. But otherwise, let's have this video in a 3, and a 2, and a 1, go. So y'all, I'm about to just wet my hair. I hate to do this to my hair, but it's for the video. And I just put my hair on the but since I'm about to do this morning, I'm just doing my everything. This is what I do most days. Like some days when I don't really care when I go to school. But next, I'm just going to be showing you how I do my hair. I'm looking right here because there's the mirror. And you don't want to take off your hair. Sorry if y'all hear that background. Hear that in the background.
So yeah, I'm done.
The end of the video. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Please comment. And to most of all, subscribe. And yeah, tell your friends, your family, everybody about me. But yeah. Peace.